Hey, what up, y'all? Cliff here. Today we're going to try to fix the voltmeter on my M1009 CUCV. Instead of buying a new one or replacing it, I'm hoping I'm going to be able to fix this thing. Let's check it out.
All right, here's the situation. When I bought the truck, everything worked on the instrument panel except for this voltmeter. I didn't really want to buy a replacement, so I started looking into seeing if I could fix it, if it was fixable. I pulled the gauge out, flipped it over. I thought maybe something wasn't connected, but everything was connected, and I tested the power to the plug from the truck, showing 24 volts. And I noticed that the needle is still kind of floppy when there it goes, see? So that gave me hope that I could fix it. And how this thing works is you got your power coming in. Obviously the black is to the ground. Orange is your power. It's 24 volts coming in to right here on this lug. And then you've got this rectangle piece as a resistor. It's a 300 ohm resistor. You cannot find a replacement for this. But what you can use is one of these right here. And I'll post the link in the description where you can get one of these. But I got a replacement 300 ohm resistor, and we're going to put it right in here. We're just going to leave this part complete. I did test the resistance, and we'll go ahead and do that right now. Multimeter, I'm just going to go down to continuity. And nothing. So it appears that that has failed in the open position, hopefully. Let's test this new one. I'd say that'll do it. Anyways, I'm going to put this resistor over top of the old resistor and wrap it around these lugs, and we're going to plug her back in and see if it works. So here we go. Here is the resistor installed. Let's go slap this gauge in, see if it works. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Hey, there it goes. Huh. So it's sticking down at the bottom. Well, almost fixed it.